currently Virgonation. Day 1 is so far harder than I expected it to be. I know I told Romain to go out there and don't worry about us, execute, but him literally probably leave out an hour ago and miss him already. I'm about to finish up washing some bottles for the girls, but I miss him. Like, the time just feel like it go really long, but I go hold it still. I'm missing my G, right? I go hold it. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna prepare some grapes for the girls. Hi, wish me luck.
Bob, tell her thanks here. Guarantee.
Life, you understand? Blessing will overflow for me.
Good time.
Overflow, bless you.
The floor.
So look at them. Would you say I evenly distributed the grapes, or may I have a favorite? I don't know. I think I did a good job of like evenly distributing it, but I'm not sure. Let me see. This kind of look like it have more. Better? Let's see. Girls, I have grapes for you. What year them cover up? What is this? I find that they don't really like to eat their fruits sitting around the table anymore, so I just give it to them. Here you go, Ems. Thank you. So they're having their grapes, but I'm trying to help them, and I'm gonna give them some breakfast after. Maybe just egg and plantain, because they really like that. Yeah, but I want to let them digest the fruits first. I think Romain flight probably take off by now. Who else cut their plantains like this? Yeah, this is the size that I work with most times. You know, nice and neat, and it won't get too soggy. You know, so I'm not gonna be one of those persons who flap myself a burn plantain, because 1 minute you put the plantain in the frying pan, and the next minute you look away or you stop to make a video like myself and the plantain burn. So I'll be back. BRB. Go on, right? Go on. So guys, Romain sent me, hold on. Come on, Rena. Come on now, let mommy make a video. A video. I don't know what this means, but Romain said the flight that is on return to the gates because they're checking something. Hopefully it's nothing too serious, because the show is tomorrow, so he really needs to get out of here.
Virgonation yesterday wasn't a normal day. We have a long delay. Trust me, something wrong with the plane, but anyways, I'm getting it fixed about 5-6 o'clock in the evening. No, it never so late, I may tell. Probably about 4:30, and then we get to leave, and yeah, I'm here now in New York City, back on the road, back on tour. It is such a good feeling on the inside, to be honest with you. I'm supposed to get some things on the road today before the show, you know, so I'm gonna get ready now and then link up, you don't know, Father Bob, and then we're gonna touch the road. Alright, Robbie. Whenever I feel like I want something on the road, but I don't know what I'll get, I feel like that is when I miss the road. You know, so you're just happy for the on the road, so you have to go on the road. You know what I mean? Me feel like I don't reach you right now.
A few moments later.
in the hotel room, you know, things happen too fast. And, yeah, by the time we reach downstairs, I said, boom, bang, bang, you know, so much things, you have to move fast. Yeah, I'm vlogging with shows and everything there. I'm gonna be one of the toughest things, but we'll try. Nico, did you catch anything with Virgonation?
I try, I do my best.
You try a thing?
I try a thing. Even people see me in the crowd, I say, yo, you shooting that for Virgonation?
You hear that? But tonight, we see a whole heap of people from Virgonation. Like, there were so many Virgonation neons at the show. Big up on yourself. Thanks for the support. It was a great show. Awesome time on stage with my brother Christopher Martin. You know, we take this show now to Belgium. We're going to New York for the next 2.5 days. That'll be a good vibes. Link up with Tanisha tomorrow morning because she's at the place. See me? Yeah, so she want to make breakfast with Nico.
What? Tea cooks with Flav?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tea Cooks with Flav is here. Wow. She wants to make breakfast.
Ready for that?
For us.
7 o'clock, I wake up early.
She asked me about 10 o'clock. I mean, I said, tea, I don't know.
That better
But,
than, yeah. Get work.
But, yeah. Go bed early and get up. Must work. Who this Virgonation? We in the building!
Tea Cooks with flavor.
You know the thing already. I'm going to run the rehearsal, you know.
We're going Virgonation. A long time I talk to Virgonation, you know.
How long ago to?
A long time.
Have you a year now?
Virgonation, I'm back. I never left.
Fully back. Yeah, man. T can give you a power now. We are going on the road. You see me?
Yes.
I come back up singing.
I come back up sing today. All the cooking fair, there's no.
You have a career in singing.
Right, that's so.
Alright, so me and Tanisha will reach this new hotel now. And, you know, me like how the service roll up here. You have people like, you know, this is the Batman.
But oh, shucks, we're going the wrong way. What's the room?
306.
Oh, no. Alright.
Okay. What, Labo?
First day on the job.
First day on the job. Come here, they know the hotel good.
My mind, tell me that first day on the job.
Welcome to your suite, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, so open the door for yourself.
You want to do it?
I do the honors,
Yes.
Yes, this is a suite.
Whoa!
Upgraded. I'm working for this sleeping, sir.
Trust me. It's a big upgrade, Virgonation. I kill you not.
Yeah.
No, you can't see outside.
So the room I should originally get. What a transformation. No, I can't look out the door. I wake up and couldn't take a view outside. What is going on?
Street view!
Oh gosh, man. A million times better. Alright, Tea Cooks with Flav. We don't get to touch road, but
Don't worry, tomorrow.
is it tomorrow? Yeah, we're there all day
Tea
Virgonation.
Cooks free now. Oh, guys, let me tell you. So, Tea Cooks gone full time. So, for those of you who.
No, when you say that, you know, it sound like your top cooking. Clear up that.
No, she gone full time with the cooking. Private chef. Straight.
Yeah.
So, but the whole of Virgonation people follow me on Tea Cooks with Flav. So, for those of you who are on there and already know what's up, and for those of you who are not on there,
Which one's what?
go and subscribe so they can see what I'm going on.
Alright, when I hear that. Yeah, we wanted to go on the road, Virgonation, to go, you know, get some things. Get some food and all them something there, plus rehearsal. But rehearsal can start late. So we're still at the hotel, change my room to a better room. I have a view now, as you can see. And yeah, we'll get some food downstairs now, hopefully, before heading out to rehearsal. So it's about a big vibes last night, first night. It's bad.
Tough. Wicked. Dear things going on. New York, lovely.
Yeah. Where's next, man?
Not to go over Belgium, not go look on them.
Yeah.
I feel like we can go over Belgium.
Me, I think about it too.
Yeah, I feel like we can go over Belgium. You know, I think over there near Reggae Hill. I could go over there.
That's true.
We go over there. We go over there.
Oh, you have to have a mask in a Uber?
The Uber, you know? The Uber.
I like that. Please, you like that. Please, you like that. Please, you know you like this. See that?
Yeah, going for the other side.
Yeah. Go on in, sir. Yeah, Nico, I know say you're deep in your business and all my lad and thing. How you feel about the show last night?
It was a great vibe, man. Beautiful, as Romain Virgo would say. So
Yeah.
beautiful, trust me.
Yeah.
Wow, then the people enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. They look like they enjoy themselves too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all in all, it was a good
Wonderful
one. It's a good one. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Driver, how you feel about the show last night? Driver? How you feel about the show last night?
Me?
Yes.
That's the one.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You, Nepal, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Not lone people, not Panam. Not long understood.
Yeah, we should enjoy that. It's a good vibe. Yeah, so now we're out here, reach rehearsal. Walking in right now with a great Bob. What you got?
You know it's me.
You know, I think that's a Magalatino now. No, Bob, you have to act like it. Remember the chick brother I tell us?
I'm paying up, man. Yeah, what I do? Oh, think.
Yeah, you almost have it,
I don't need to change.
You're on their swing now. Let me show you now, walk out. What's up, brothers?
I'm good. What's up, man? I'm not playing, but I'm good. I'm playing, so I'm good. Kudos.
Why you not playing, man?
I rest my day to answer.
No, sir. We practice videoing. So now you realize that this is actually the second or third time you rehearse at this same venue. We reach inside the rehearsal and as you could see, I just 3 musicians and 4 musicians in there. Everybody can look food. Yeah. So, bro, we know one of the band. We're about to look some food now. So we're up in this place, we have to remember what name back? R&D Foods. I'm getting coffee. Just get a chocolate chip here. Oh God, which one is?
Guys, I'm back home from work, and can I tell you, I have to be grateful for how today went. Today was one of those perfect days at work. I can't complain. Like literally, everything went so well that I got home in time to catch the girls before they go to bed. So I have to give thanks. I'm grateful for that, Manalai. And I was also able to, go through some of the comments on our last video. Boy, may I tell you, gratitude is a must. To see how so many persons are sending us words of encouragement, and for the most part, everybody likes, the look of the new house. Thank you guys so much for taking time out to comment and to share your thoughts. Trust me, and the recommendations, we're seeing them. With the suggestions, we're seeing them, so keep them coming. And we're really looking forward to, going into our new space. So thank you guys so much for that. Yeah, I'm gonna go and spend some time with the girls before they go to bed, because it's getting close to their bedtime. So yeah, I'm out. I don't know if I'm out for the night, but I'm out for now.
Brother, as fast as we can forward, brother. Forward, brother.
So I'm making a shot.
Yeah, man. Virgonation, we've been back in the hotel for a minute now. I miss a minute, you know what I mean? Good while now. And we don't see the reason for a while. Forward upstairs, make a few calls. Me and Lizzie that talk about a few things. Get to see the girl them. By the way, you look like the one Raina now want to sleep, Nico.
Don't want to sleep?
She don't want to sleep. She up them hours, yeah.
Raina is you, man.
Me all come at Raina is me, brother.
No, it's me.
Yeah. But with the plan, so we want to do like a running. Like an exercise. And long way with them, so yeah. Yeah, so after the nice reasoning we have done, see them say, yeah, I'm going to do a little bit from now. No, the little bit from now forward.
Keep up the fitness, huh?
Yeah, so I'm ready up on the road, fitness of it up or up with an H. I'm going to forward on the king side, alright? If I feel about me, you know where that
The middle elevator for that thing.
okay. Yes, so I feel like this is the last thing I'm going to see. Oh, so now. So I'm going to go work out and I'm going to get a nice show and go to bed. Yeah. Until our next video, Virgonation. See you all. Really love.